Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for the Azure. In this video we will see how to restore a deleted user from Azure Active Directory. You can permanently delete a user, you can restore a user from the Azure Active Directory when you delete it. So let me just quickly log on to the Azure portal and we'll take it from there. Okay, so this is my portal, this is my Azure Active Directory. I clicked on users. One user here. If you remember in the last video, I created one more user as John. So you just have to check this box, and you're not getting an option to delete it because it is only user and the Azure administrator account for this directory. So I'm not getting an option to delete it because by default one user would be there. Let's say I make a test user. Not allow me to pick the name. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. Show password. Let's say I have created this user. So now I want to delete it, or any of the user you want to delete. Just click on here, delete a user. Click on yes. Successfully deleted user. So when it says successfully deleted user, it does not delete a user completely from your active Azure AD. If you remember, if you know the process of deletion of a user from the on-prem Active Directory, whenever the user is deleted, it raises a flag of is deleted. Until that time, that user or object in the AD remains in the deleted objects container. Then after the tombstone lifetime period expires, that the user or object gets permanently deleted from your on-prem AD. That is not same as that, but yes, whenever you delete a user, you would see it in the deleted users container, right? So let's say I want to I click on Johnny at Johnny user. This is John user, green and red. Let's say I want to restore this user. So I'll just select it, click on restore here. Restoring user. Go back to the users folder. Refresh it. I hope you should see that. Okay, we see Johnny here. We go back to the deleted users again, and I do not want to restore this user. I click here, I click on delete permanently. Irrecoverably delete it. Click on yes. That was quite simple and easy. You should be aware that when you delete a user, it does not get deleted permanently. You have to go and delete it from the deleted users container in your Azure AD. I hope this was informative to you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my videos. Mention in your feedbacks in the comment section. Share these videos on all the social media platforms as much as you can. It'll motivate me to make more videos. Mention in your feedbacks and the topics on which you want me to make videos related to Azure or AWS. I will start the AWS Solution Architect 2018 exam series videos as well. And till that time, stay tuned and wait for the next video. Bye. Have a great day.